Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to complete CPA offers on Aviso. If this is your first time watching my video, kindly please subscribe to my channel, like it and share my video. So the name of the website we'll be making use of is Aviso. So if you want to sign up, it's called aviso.bz. So you can search for it and sign up on it. So this platform is built in Russia. So it is a Russia platform. So and it enables you to complete CPA offers, but based on the country you want the based on the country offers that you want to complete. So the first thing you have to do is we have some options like shows like maybe like want to earn money on Aviso to like to the advertiser, to the people that will help you to promote your CPA offers or anything you want to advertise. So you have to click on place an advertisement. So an advertisement. So that's the first thing you have to do. As you can see, they have a list of advertising placements. So they have tags, banners, surfing, contextual advertising, letters, and stuff like that. They also have a lot of like TikTok, static links, and text ads. So we are making use of, we maybe want to complete anything like CPA, like want to complete offer on CPA, any CPA network. You have to click on tax because they're helping us to complete tax. So that's what we are going to be doing. So as you can see, there are many people on Aviso willing to do simple tax for a small fee. How popular and interesting your tax will be depends only on you. Don't scheme on the reward. The minimum price for one tax is just 0.25 rupees. So as you can see, and very low. So let's say the tax, as we want to complete any task, like we want to place an advertisement for our CPA offers, you just have to come here down here and fill out the option like the task title, then just leave it like CPA grip. So the task category, just like maybe you want to like registration only, yeah, maybe like clicks only, YouTube, registration with activity. So and they have a lot of task categories. So let's say maybe you want them to do some like maybe like registration with category to complete some task forms, just have to input it here. So the method of checking the tax, just like manual verification by advertiser. Yeah, you cannot do the automatic check. We want it to be a manual. When they complete the task, maybe we go to our CPA account to check maybe whether they've completed the task given to them. So that's a new way you can get it, so they won't be able to take your money away. So the description of the task is like you telling them that this is what the task is all about. Maybe the task is just like they have to sign up on maybe like any platform, and just like any website. Maybe they are just to complete the offer or to complete anything relating to like a lot of things. Like I can just say maybe just like you have to sign up on a website and to confirm their Gmail. So you have to tell them the description of the task that this is what you are supposed to do. Like you have to click on the link in the landing page, click complete up to like 2 to 3 tasks. Always make sure that you input to your landing page. So that's how you do it. Tell them that you have to complete like 2 to 3 tasks, maybe per task. Maybe that's what you want for them. Maybe that's what you want for your adverts. They have to do that. Complete 2 to 3 tasks in the landing page, and you will get a free 500 gift card. So that's how you input it there. You input it in your description of the task. So that's how you do it. So and then you tell them that they must always make sure that they verify their Gmail whenever they sign up on their on the website given to them on the landing page link they click. So that's anyway, that's how you do it. So for the what the performer must indicate to verify the completion of the task, just like make sure that you are being given a message in your email to verify. So that's what you tell the performer to indicate. So they must make sure they send a screenshot of what they verify for you. So that's how they do it. So if they didn't send any like screenshots or any a proof of what like maybe they completed the task, then you won't approve the money that you used to do the advert. So the site URL, this is where you input your landing page. After inputting your landing page, let me use that on my landing page. Payment to the performer. Let me just say like the minimum you can perform, let me just give it to them like 0.2, let's give it like 0.3 rupees. That's how you do it. So audience performance or performance from list of favorites, So sequential distribution interval, maybe like you want a fixed interval for them to be doing the just like can just give them like watch hour. Just make sure that no interval, you need to add that. Then execution technology cannot be changed. The unique IP address, so only from unique IP address, being is allowed from any IP. No, just have to choose like only from unique IP address. Maximum execution time mustn't take them nothing less than 30 minutes. Rating limit, you don't have anything to do with that. By date of registration, you don't have anything to do with that. So by gender, available to all users, except if the offer they are completing is based on gender. So that's how you indicate the gender type. So by age, maybe like I want people from 20 to start completing my offer to any number age. Like I just give you anything or just leave it like that. So maybe like you have a geo targeting like any countries that are allowed. So we can also choose that like only mark once. We can choose from United States, from whatever you want, Ukraine, Russia. So you can just select the type of country you want your offers to come from. That you want them to complete. You want the country that uh maybe like you want the country that you know that they are mostly likely to be the one to complete the offer, like the country offers. You just have to choose. Maybe let me just say like maybe the offer is from maybe offer countries just from USA. You have to choose like United States or from any maybe they are indicating like up to like 3 to 4 countries from the offer like you want them to complete. So you can just choose the country type. So that's how you do it. So and another way you have to do is like cookies cleaning by the performer. Yeah, required before execution. That's how you do it. Also make sure that you input it like you indicate it like this for them. Then cost of one execution is 0.375 rupee. You just have to click on create. So they say you have not described the execution conditions. Yeah, one is that class can be completed multiple times. So that's how you do. You just have to click on create. Another condition. Okay, I think we haven't filled out this option. That's why it is making it like this. So let me just show you one of my adverts that I've done, like the advertisement management. Let me just click on packs. So this is what I did. I can show you how it looks like and just see the description of the task. So this is it. This one that I did for myself. So go to description of that. Go to I've already shortened my landing page. Click join now, complete sign up, confirm your email address. What you need to specify to complete the task. Screenshot after you have confirmed your email address. That's all I want. So that's how you do it. Then always make sure that you fund your account, your advertising account. So how to do that, I'll show you this video. So just maybe just say you want to fund like 5,000 rupees. So you can do that, make use of crypto or any payment method that you know that you are convenient with. So you can choose any, maybe you are good with Visa or crypto or perfect money. So I'm always making use of crypto because they are likely to be the ones that I normally use. But make use of USDT, Tron, or Theta. So there it is. It's just have to click on pay and then they generate a wallet address for you to pay the money to. So that's how I do it. If you enjoy my video, kindly subscribe to my channel, like it and share my video. Thanks for watching. Good day, everybody.